So the other day, scrolling on good old Temu, I made another purchase. Let's get it open and check it out. So some of you guys might be asking, what did you buy now on Temu? Well, my wife tells me that every single time I buy something on Temu. But, like I tell her, I needed this. That's not really a need. It's more of a want. It's always a want. But, saw this, and I thought it would be cool. And it's a pole chainsaw. Or pole saw, as somebody would say. So, let's get her open. Let's get her dialed in. And let's see how many cranks it takes before she starts. Alrighty, so got her put together. For you guys that say, oh, you started it beforehand, that thing's completely empty, Mo. Alright, I'm going to fill her up right in front of you. Now we're going to see how many cranks she takes. See if Temu's the deal or not. Get this. Alright. Give her about half tank. Should be good. We got that blue goodness in there. Let's get her primed. Come on. Alright, we got gas squirting through. How many cranks you guys think? Put it in the chat. If you think it's going to be one crank, two crank. Alright, we got a spark plug. Should have checked for that first. Anyways, nothing else to do but let her rip, tater chip. Put the choke on. Get this on out. Oh, golly, son, this thing's moving already. Oh, okay. You got life. We ain't connected somewhere. Turn this off real quick. Sounds like we're slipping over here. Alrighty. So ultimately, I think this thing's a solid unit right here. Starts right up. She rips 43 cc's. Thing extends out to like 12 feet. Tell you what, my biggest thing right now is trying to figure out how I'm going to fit this in the shed. Honey, I might need a Temu warehouse next.